conducting our relationships in person and online. Relationships are a fundamental part of our lives, whether they are built in person or online. In today's interconnected world, it's essential to maintain healthy and respectful relationships across both platforms. While the medium may differ, the core principles remain the same: empathy, respect, and communication. Let's explore how we can nurture relationships, both in real life and in the digital space. In-person relationships. In-person relationships allow for face-to-face interactions, helping us express emotions through body language, tone of voice, and facial expressions to build strong relationships. Follow these key principles. Practice active listening. Pay attention when someone speaks. Avoid interrupting and respond thoughtfully. Show respect. Treat others with kindness and understanding, even when you disagree. Resolve conflicts calmly. Handle misunderstandings with maturity, without letting emotions take control. Be present. Put your phone away when spending time with others. This shows you value their presence. In-person relationships help build trust and emotional connections, giving us a sense of belonging and support. Online relationships. With technology, relationships aren't limited by distance anymore. Social media, messaging apps, and online forums help us stay connected with people across the world. However, online interactions come with unique challenges. To maintain healthy digital relationships, we must be honest and authentic, always present your true self, and avoid creating fake identities. Communicate respectfully, use polite language, and avoid negative behaviors like trolling or spamming. Set boundaries, maintain a balance between online and offline life while respecting others' privacy. Recognize red flags, be cautious of individuals who ask for personal information or behave suspiciously. Online relationships can be meaningful, but they require caution and mutual respect to remain positive. Common principles for all relationships, whether in person or online. Strong relationships are built on empathy, understanding others' feelings and perspectives. Respect, treating people with kindness, valuing their opinions and boundaries. Trust, being honest and consistent in actions and words. Accountability, taking responsibility for mistakes and apologizing when needed. By following these values, we can build and maintain positive relationships in both real life and digital spaces. Balancing in-person and online relationships. While online relationships offer convenience, we shouldn't neglect face-to-face connections. To maintain a healthy balance, spend quality time with family and friends offline. Limit screen time to avoid over-reliance on digital platforms. Nurture both online and real-world relationships with equal effort. Finding the right balance ensures a well-rounded social life and emotional well-being. Handling challenges in relationships. Challenges like misunderstandings and conflicts are a part of every relationship. How we handle them makes all the difference. Here is how to manage relationship difficulties. Communicate clearly, address issues calmly and openly to prevent conflicts from escalating. Seek support if a relationship becomes difficult. Talk to trusted friends or family for advice. Know when to step back if a relationship becomes toxic or harmful. Prioritize your mental and emotional well-being. Conclusion: in the end, relationships, whether in person or online, are essential to our happiness and personal growth. By practicing respect, empathy, and balance, we can build strong, meaningful connections in both spaces. What do you think is the most important aspect of a healthy relationship? Let us know in the comments.